Now test if len and mid. Now one text box, one label, text box label. Listen. Double click. Text box change. Now me label caps equal LEN length. Text me text box text. Okay. Now is checking how many letter I have the text box. How many letter? Is now one letter, 2, 3 letter, 4 letter. Understand? Now, how many letter display this? How many letter display? Okay. Now test the made a text box 1, 2 text box 2. Okay. Text box 2. One label 2. Okay. Now text box 2. Me caption me label me label caption label 2 ആണ് label 2 caption me text box 2 text now mid now specifies the 2 word after 3 word, 2 word after 3 word. Now test this label and this. Now one error. What is checking? Me label caption me test but okay. Start length. Okay. Now Malayalam. Okay, 3. The one after 3 letter. One after 3 letter. This is meter. Now change 4 after 2 word. Check 4 after. But now you understand. Please test and training and study right. If you like, please like button, click and subscribe.